What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to be bringing you 5 healthy smoothies today that I know that you're gonna love. For you to get what kind I'm gonna be making, you have to watch the video through, but I will say that I will have some with inflammation, healthy hair, and some weight loss, so make sure you stay tuned. I wanna make sure that you guys know that I will be using frozen fruit, because when you use fresh fruit, and you add in water, all you're doing is watering it down. So I definitely recommend using frozen fruit. I'm also gonna be using 2 different blenders. I'm gonna be using a Vitamix blender, and then I'm gonna be using a food processor because I know that you guys use either one. So I do wanna give you those options. And lastly, when you get these smoothie recipes down, you can swap in or add in different ingredients such as dark leafy vegetables. You can add chia seeds, protein powder, whatever you guys like. I know that these are going to be tantalizing your taste buds, so please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you love these smoothie recipes. Let's get right in. All right, you guys, so my first smoothie is my green toxin cleansing blast. What I like about this smoothie is that it detoxes the body naturally. This smoothie will nourish and heal your body. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna describe the ingredients that we're gonna use. So first I have our filtered water. I have our spinach and baby kale. And I just put it all in one thing because we're throwing it all in the blender anyway. Make sure that you guys are getting organic for that and that it's thoroughly washed. I have some frozen mango, frozen pineapple, frozen bananas, and some apple slices. I use green apple because that's what I found in the refrigerator today, but you can use a Honeycrisp, you can use a Gala, whatever you prefer. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put in our ingredients. I'm gonna put in the liquid first, some water. And you guys can test the water out first, see how much you want. Start with a little, and then if it doesn't blend the way you like it, it's not blending easily, then go in and add some more or try to push it down. Next, I'm gonna add in our veggies, some fresh spinach and fresh baby kale. This is gonna give it that green color, so rich in vitamins. Really gonna help detoxify that body. We're gonna add in our frozen pineapple, our frozen mango. This looks so good. We're gonna add in our frozen banana, I'm sorry guys, frozen banana. That's gonna make it nice and creamy. Gives it a really good consistency. I just love banana in a smoothie. You don't have to add much because the frozen mango also gives a nice creamy, good consistency as well. And then we're gonna add in our apple slices. This is great, guys, if you want to cleanse and detoxify your body. And then all we're gonna do is just blend it. Nice and easy. All right, you guys, so my next smoothie is my mango strawberry carrot smoothie, which is great for healthy hair and glowy skin. This is our beauty smoothie. This is great for males and females. So I'm just gonna describe what I have here. I already squeezed some freshly squeezed oranges. I'm gonna use some freshly squeezed. This is gonna be really great, high in vitamin C. I have some frozen mango. I have some frozen organic strawberries. Both of these are really high in vitamin C. Mangoes are just rich in vitamins like vitamin A, K, B, so many great benefits. I have some frozen bananas. I have actually some baby Swiss chard. What I like about the Swiss chard is that this organic Swiss chard, you can put it in the blender. You don't see the color, you don't see the green. You also don't taste it, but you get that high rich iron, you get the vitamin A. It's awesome to throw in there and you don't even taste it. So this is really great if you don't really like veggies and you don't want to taste it. You don't really ever taste Swiss chard, you don't ever really taste spinach. And then lastly, I have the carrots. And what I just do is you just get a little mini baby carrot and you shred it down really finely, and that way it just really blends in nicely. This drink is sweet. So if you like sweet smoothies, you're gonna really love this. The banana definitely helps balance it out. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour in our liquid. All the exact measurements and details and health benefits will be in the description below underneath that arrow. I'm gonna add in our greens, our Swiss chard. This is really great. Our organic frozen strawberries, our organic frozen mango. Yum. This is really good smoothie, guys. I was drinking it this week to have some pretty skin and hair for you all. And so once that, we're just gonna blend it. And depending on how you like your consistency, you can go in and pause it and add more freshly squeezed oranges. All right. All right, you guys, so my next smoothie is my Peachy plum pick-me-up. It's a great smoothie for a pick-me-up with a flavorful blend of organic peaches, organic bananas that are frozen. All of this is frozen. Frozen cherry plums, and frozen strawberries. We're also gonna use our food processor this time around that I promised you guys. I have some unsweetened non-dairy milk and some organic agave. Now, if you're watching this video, say you happen to not watch this in the summer, but you catch this later on in the winter and you don't have any frozen cherry plums or regular plums, you can definitely still do the smoothie with just the peaches, the strawberries, and the bananas, okay? So all we're gonna do is watch how simple this is. And you can keep adding in that milk, the non-dairy mixture, if it's not blending in nice and smooth. All right. All right, you guys, so next we have my cherry anti-inflammatory smoothie. It's my post-recovery muscle workout powerhouse. Okay, so what we have here is we have cherries, we have, which is organic, dark cherries. I definitely recommend getting them frozen because it will cost so much less versus than fresh. You can get a whole big bag or even a smaller bag and it still be less than just buying a little bit. We just have some organic frozen blackberries. It's really going to be great. I have some frozen organic bananas that I sliced up, organic frozen mango, sorry, I'm like, what is that? Some frozen organic mango. I have just a heaping handful of some organic baby kale. I have some turmeric. Guys, this is really gonna help with that inflammation as well. I have agave, I have some non-dairy milk, and you can add in, this is optional if you wanna add in some plant-based vanilla protein, which is really gonna help with that muscle recovery. What I love about this drink is if you suffer from arthritis, gout attacks, inflammation, you're sore from doing a workout, this is the powerhouse drink that you're gonna wanna have. It will help, I know it. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're just gonna add it in. I love to drink this after I lift weights, after I'm feeling sore. It's just so important that if you're gonna do a workout with weights, get this smoothie in within the first 30 minutes. I don't know if you guys knew that. You're gonna wanna get this in the first 30 minutes. I'm just gonna add my liquid so it is on the bottom. This is my non-dairy milk. I use yellow pea milk. You can use unsweetened, and it has to be unsweetened. You can use unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened soy milk, cashew milk. They have everything now. Just gonna dump that in. We're gonna add in just a heaping handful of that baby kale. If you don't like kale, like I said, that you can swap that for spinach. A little bit of agave. This is making it a little sweeter. And for me, I personally like a plant-based. I use vanilla protein. I'm just gonna use half of this right now. And then we're gonna blend. All right, you guys, so my very last smoothie is my tropical pineapple banana weight loss smoothie. So it's like you get to feel like you're on an island while losing weight, and it tastes tasty. It's so delicious. I love this one. So I'm just going to describe briefly what we have here. I just have some sliced frozen organic bananas. I have some organic frozen pineapple, organic agave if you want to make it a little sweeter, some plant-based milk. If you want to do half plant-based milk and half pineapple juice, you can totally do that. Or if you just want to do pineapple juice, if it's not sweet enough, it's up to you, up to your preference. You try it out. And lastly, I have some vegan creamy cashew vanilla bean yogurt. It's gonna make it nice and creamy and add just a nice little touch. If you don't want the vegan yogurt, you can definitely do Greek yogurt, which is really good for your protein. So either one's fine depending on your dietary needs. All right, so all we're gonna do is just add this in. This is how easy this smoothie is. You can make this, and once you get this recipe down, if you want to start swapping it in, you can add that protein powder. You can add some dark leafy vegetables. It's still gonna have that same flavor in it, which is why I say you should just kind of add that in if you want, because then you can get your veggies in. They say you guys should get a serving of vegetables for every single meal. And what better way than get it when you don't even taste it? Even though I personally like veggies, I'm just going to get this in there. I'll spoon back that out later if I need it. Oops, a little spill, it's okay. And some organic agave. Now, like I said, you can add some pineapple juice if you would like to. All right, then we're just gonna blend. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you love these delicious smoothies. You can have them Monday through Friday with all different varieties. Let me know which one you're gonna make first in my comments. My family's already claiming which ones they want to come as soon as I'm done filming this for you all. I enjoyed making these. They're gonna be so beneficial to your body. You are what you eat. So before I go, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you love these smoothie recipes. I love you all. Until next time, bye.